Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to compress Word document. This is a Word file with a size of 731 kilobytes that needs to be compressed this time. Now let's compress it. Click on the link in the video introduction, or enter the online tools page from our official website. Select and upload the Word file you want to compress, and then click on Convert. After the conversion is completed, click on Download to obtain this Word file. This is the compressed file, which has been reduced by 30% in size. If your Word file exceeds 2 megabytes, you can download our file compressor. Open the WorkinTool file compressor and locate Compress Word. Select the Word file you want to compress and click to start the conversion. We can see that the desktop version can compress files smaller. You can enter our official website to download our file compressor and other helpful software for free. Now, experience all kinds of fast office software for free.